Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the stock market. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over the stock market and how the stock market works. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. If you've ever wondered how the stock market works or why it plays such a crucial role in our economy, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the basics of the stock market, making it easy to understand for everyone, whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your knowledge. We'll explore key concepts like stocks, bonds, and market indices, and discuss how these elements interact to shape the financial landscape. You'll learn about the importance of investing and how the stock market can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time. But it's not just about numbers and charts. We'll also highlight the real-world impact of the stock market on businesses and everyday life. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of why the stock market matters and how it influences the economy we live in today. So let's get started on this exciting journey into the stock market. What is the stock market? The stock market is a platform where investors can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. At its core, the stock market serves as a vital component of the economy, facilitating capital flow between businesses and investors. When you purchase a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company, which means you have a stake in its success. Stocks represent ownership, and owning shares can provide you with potential profits through price appreciation and dividends. Dividends are payments made by companies to their shareholders, often distributed quarterly as a way to share profits. Another important term to understand is market capitalization, which refers to the total market value of a company's outstanding shares. It's calculated by multiplying the stock price by the total number of shares available. This metric helps investors gauge a company's size and stability. In summary, the stock market is not just a place for trading, it's a crucial mechanism that allows companies to raise capital and investors to participate in the growth of businesses, making it an essential part of our economic system. How the stock market works. Understanding how the stock market operates is essential for anyone looking to invest. The process begins when investors buy and sell stocks through exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. These exchanges serve as marketplaces where buyers and sellers come together to trade shares of publicly listed companies. To facilitate these transactions, investors typically work with brokers or use online trading platforms. Brokers act as intermediaries, executing trades on behalf of their clients, while trading platforms allow individuals to buy and sell stocks directly. When placing an order to buy or sell a stock, investors can choose between different types of orders. A market order is executed immediately at the current market price, ensuring a quick transaction. In contrast, a limit order allows investors to specify the price at which they want to buy or sell, providing more control over the transaction but not guaranteeing execution. Additionally, understanding the bid-ask spread is crucial. The bid price is what buyers are willing to pay, while the ask price is what sellers want. The difference between these two prices can impact trading costs and overall investment strategy. By grasping these mechanics, you'll be better equipped to navigate the stock market confidently. Types of stocks. When it comes to investing, understanding the different categories of stocks is essential for building a diversified portfolio. The two primary types of stocks are common and preferred stocks. Common stocks represent ownership in a company and typically come with voting rights. allowing shareholders to influence company decisions. However, they carry more risk as dividends are not guaranteed. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, provide fixed dividends and have a higher claim on assets in the event of liquidation, but they usually lack voting rights. Next, we have growth stocks and value stocks. Growth stocks are shares in companies expected to grow at an above average rate compared to their industry, often reinvesting profits to fuel expansion rather than paying dividends. In contrast, value stocks are considered undervalued based on fundamental analysis, offering potential for price appreciation as the market recognizes their true worth. Lastly, blue chip stocks are shares of well-established companies with a history of stable earnings and reliable dividends. These stocks are often seen as safe investments, making them significant for investors seeking long-term stability and growth. Understanding these categories can help you make informed investment decisions tailored to your financial goals. Investing strategies. When it comes to investing in the stock market, having a clear strategy can significantly impact your success. One of the primary approaches is long-term investing, where individuals buy and hold stocks for an extended period, often years or even decades. This strategy allows investors to benefit from the compounding of returns and ride out market volatility. In contrast, short-term trading involves buying and selling stocks within a shorter time frame, often capitalizing on market fluctuations. While it can yield quick profits, it also carries higher risks and requires constant market monitoring. Another effective strategy is dollar cost averaging, which involves consistently investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This approach helps mitigate the impact of market volatility and reduces the risk of making poor investment decisions based on emotions. Diversification is also crucial. By spreading investments across various sectors and asset classes, you can reduce risk and enhance potential returns. Lastly, thorough research and analysis are vital in making informed investment decisions. Understanding market trends, company fundamentals, and economic indicators can empower you to choose the right stocks and develop a robust investment strategy tailored to your financial goals. Risks and rewards. Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding venture, but it's essential to understand the potential risks involved. One of the most significant factors is market volatility, which refers to the fluctuations in stock prices over time. While volatility can create opportunities for profit, it can also lead to substantial losses, especially for those who are not prepared for sudden market changes. On the reward side, the stock market has historically offered the potential for high returns compared to other investment options, such as bonds or savings accounts. Many investors have seen their wealth grow significantly over time by investing in stocks, particularly in a rising market. However, this potential for high returns comes with the inherent risk of loss, as stock prices can decline due to various factors, including economic downturns or poor company performance. Before diving into stock market investing, it's crucial to assess your risk tolerance. Understanding how much risk you are willing to take can help you make informed decisions and choose investments that align with your financial goals and comfort level. Balancing risks and rewards is key to successful investing in the stock market. Conclusion: in this video, we've explored the essential aspects of the stock market, from its fundamental concepts to various investing strategies. We discussed the difference between common and preferred stocks, the significance of growth versus value stocks, and the importance of blue chip stocks in a diversified portfolio. We also highlighted the mechanics of stock trading, including the roles of brokers and trading platforms, as well as key order types like market and limit orders. One of the key takeaways is the balance between risks and rewards in stock market investing. Understanding market volatility, assessing your risk tolerance, and employing strategies like dollar cost averaging and diversification can help you navigate this dynamic environment effectively. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your investing journey. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it, and explore our related content for deeper insights into the world of investing. Thank you for watching and happy investing. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care